Greetings everyone, look how beautiful this is looking. But let me show you how I got here. I got this in Amazon, and just to be transparent, I will not recommend you to buy it. It was horrible, I didn't have a good experience. It shows you sandpaper all the way from 80 to 1500, 2000, and then 3000. Look, garage rookie, cool. Well, I'm showing you the oxidized parts of the car, of the headlights. And I'm mostly doing it because I felt like I was having a hard time seeing at night, but I also need glasses, so it is what it is. And I'm doing it by hand. And I thought it was a bad idea, but there's some parts that I wanted to get to it, and I felt like only by hand I was only going to be able to get there, and that's why I did it this way. But I did use a drill, which I'm about to show you. It has like this little attached things that you can, it has an attached round sanding pad, so you can put the sandpaper there. And honestly, I thought that by using a drill I was gonna go through the whole process faster in general. It wasn't the case. It really sucked. I don't think it was doing the much impact that I wanted it to have, and you can see it here. I do want to say that if you see a transparent part or a little bit more gray now, is because I was just doing it by hand. And when I pulled the driller, I thought it was gonna be easier, but it turned out that it really wasn't. I don't think I was doing much damage, and I felt like it was a waste of time. What actually ended up happening, it was that I did it in multiple shots, not in just one sitting. I think I had to go to somewhere. I don't remember where I went, so I just left it, but this is trash. I did bring the big guns. This one did actually make a huge impact on it. I was getting concerned that I was gonna get to the paint of the car, but I was sanding the entire car in general, so I didn't even care. So I just took it all the way out. I went to Harbor Freight, and that's pretty much where I got it. It's like sandpaper, the sand disc. Not the sand disc. Well, it's not a drill either. Let me know how you called it. I forgot the name of it, but it works. It actually made a lot of progress. Okay, you can see now it looks great, but fear me not, it gets better. So I believe right now I'm choosing to do a 400 paper, which is pretty, it makes a huge impact on it, but it really got the job done. So I was pretty excited after cleaning it with a little bit of water. Actually, the water it's a mix of water and alcohol, but I can see the damage, not the damage, but the progress that I'm making. So I'm just gonna do it a couple more times until I can kind of feel that I'm have done a lot of progress on them. I would definitely recommend that this is something that you can just do in one sitting. It just took me a while because I had things to do. I left. I will come back in 2-3 days later, and then that's pretty much where I'm at. I used this sandpaper from Amazon on this headlight that I didn't like, but yeah, I don't recommend. Either way, this is at the end of sanding. This is how it looked. Crash Rookie again. Thanks for coming and watching. Hey. Okay, so it's not bad, but once I add the clear coat, which is this one here, I'm using 2K, which is supposed to last for a while and make things way better, I would say. Hey, don't forget to put the mask on. Please be safe. I actually low-key kind of like the smell of it, but I know it's not good for your lungs. Well, whatever. I didn't show you the first coat that I did, so right now I'm just wiping any dust that it felt as it was drying. But look how clean it looks right now, and that was the first coat. And I'm gonna do 3 or 4 just for the sake of doing it, and actually because I want to use the whole bottle. So let me show you. Okay, so this is the ending product. You can see this is the left one, this is the right one. I feel like the right one looks a little bit off. I feel like the left one came out to be hella clean, as you can see here. So I may come back to it, but either way, this is it. Look how beautiful it looks. You can see yourself here. I'm hoping that you can see yourself here. But again, if you want to do it yourself, it's a quick thing that you can do in less than 30 minutes. And thank you for coming. Have a good day, y'all. Blessings.